Hello, my name is Irving Gonzalez, a mixologist at Snake Oil Cocktail Company. This is how you make a Mai Tai. Mai Tai is a really strong cocktail, really refreshing too. First of all, you're gonna put 1.5 ounce of Havana Club, White Rum. Doesn't need to be Havana, just any white rum, it's good. So, main ingredient here, lime juice. I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. There you go. Also, another good part of a good Mai Tai is a good Orgeat. So Orgeat is an almond syrup. So you need to have like orange blossom water in here. You have sugar, you have almond, vanilla. It's always a good tip. So you're gonna put 1 ounce for that. This is just me. I like a little bit of the orange flavor in it. So let's just add a little bit of 1 dash of Angostura bitters, just to kind of like give it a little kick. All right. Now that all the ingredients are here, you're gonna shake it, but first, take a good look for the color. You're looking to aim that color, just a little bit clear. Look at that. It's awesome. All right, now let's shake it. Another good thing on a Mai Tai, well, it's kind of like a short cocktail because it's really strong, but also the really important thing is the ice. So don't focus on big blocks of ice, just focus on pebble ice. You can crush your own ice at home. Just like serve it. Again, this is the color we're looking for. See? Top it off with a little bit of crushed ice. Right. Second ingredient is like spice or añejo rum. So you're gonna do 1/2 ounce of that just to top it off to create a lay. Pretty cool. Garnish with some mint, just to release the oils. Give it a little hit. Have some dehydrated limes in here. You can go crazy and just aim for an orchid. So this is how you make a Mai Tai.